Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. A great way to make fire in the wind when all you have is a bick and the flame keeps blowing out is to, of course, shelter the flame enough to get some punkwood started. And I just picked this up 5 minutes ago under this water oak tree beside me. And I want to get some of those other pieces of punkwood on the ground and just fill up my stove with it. It is not hard to find a whole bunch of punkwood under a water oak tree. This isn't great like that first smaller piece I showed you. This is kind of hard, has moisture in it. But we'll ignite that good piece and it will get this stuff going, especially in this wind, and then we'll add some branches on it. We're going to have to do this on time lapse. It's going to take several minutes to get all that punkwood hot enough to where it bursts into flames on its own. I see my first flames. Well, it took a long time for that punkwood to dry out. Yeah, she's burning good now. Well, that actually took about 15 minutes for the punkwood to get hot enough and dry enough to go to flames. But if you've got the patience, it's a great way to make a fire on a very windy day. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.